If you've ever tried to publish an ebook before, you know how expensive it can get. Paying a writer, an editor, a designer, and sometimes even a formatter. But now, you can do it all yourself in just minutes with EbookWriter AI. Here's how. Start by entering your ebook idea or niche. Maybe it's personal finance, parenting, or productivity. EbookWriter AI instantly writes your entire ebook, complete with chapters, structure, and polished text. No need to hire a writer or spend weeks drafting. Next, you can use the built-in formatting and cover design tools. The AI helps you create a professional layout and a high-quality cover, instantly replacing the need for a designer or expensive software. Once you're done, your ebook is ready to publish on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website, fully formatted, designed, and edited. With EbookWriter AI, you don't need a big team or a big budget. You just need one smart tool that does it all for you. Ready to create professional ebooks without hiring anyone? Click the link in the description and start using EbookWriter AI today.